Beyond single-task automation, today's autonomous robots need more. They need an AI brain, one that can see, think, and decide in real time at the edge. Advantech introduces a new class of edge AI solutions, powered by NVIDIA Jetson Thor, the intelligence core for physical AI in real-world use. Meet ASR A702 and AFE A702. These are Advantech's next-generation robotic controllers, designed for cobots, humanoids, AMRs, and unmanned systems. With up to 2070 TFLOPS of AI performance, they combine precise control with sensor data from many sources, enabling real-time thinking and motion planning. In this cobot demo, AFE A702 runs a full real-time robotic system. Multiple cameras detect obstacles in 3D, vision and language models understand the scene. LiDAR improves location accuracy. The robot plans safe movement in real time. And here's the key point. No external GPU is needed. Everything runs directly on Jetson Thor, showing strong performance with high efficiency. The Advantech Robotics Suite offers a smooth development experience. It includes tested sensor drivers, synchronized data pipelines, and modular software for vision and control. When combined with NVIDIA Isaac ROS, developers can deploy advanced robots with industrial reliability. AFE also supports key robotic connections, CAN-FD, precise time synchronization, GNSS, and industrial Ethernet for robot fleets. Its compact and rugged design supports continuous use in factories, warehouses, and outdoor locations. Beyond cobots, ASR A702 supports the next step in physical AI. With vision language action intelligence, it connects seeing, thinking, and acting in real time. By optimizing NVIDIA Isaac GR00T using Tensor RT, FP8, and NVFP4, ASR A702 delivers fast response and high precision. This turns AI intent into accurate physical movement. Now, let's talk about humanoids. This is where customers often struggle. Complex architectures, multiple compute boxes, and long integration cycles. With Advantech and NVIDIA, we change that completely. At the center of this architecture is the ASR A702, powered by NVIDIA Jetson Thor. It handles both the big brain and the little brain in a single platform. At the top, you have a high-level AI, vision, language understanding, and decision-making, accelerated by NVIDIA Isaac GR00T, and Jetson Thor. At the same time, AFE A702 manages real-time control, motor commands, sensor fusion, and a deterministic timing, all running together on a synchronized system. On the software side, this is where customers really win. The Advantech Robotics Suite provides a validated foundation, pre-integrated drivers, hardware sync pipelines, and modular building blocks. Combined with NVIDIA's robotics software, customers don't start from scratch. They reuse, scale, and deploy faster. That means fewer integration headaches, less risk, and a much shorter path from prototype to production. So instead of building a complex humanoid system piece by piece, customers get a ready-to-scale platform that's already optimized for physical AI. One platform, one software ecosystem, and one clear path to commercial humanoid deployment. That's how Advantech and NVIDIA help fast-track humanoid innovation, from concept to real-world deployment.